Somebody asked for some good book recommendations for fundamental analysis after this video on 5 tips for picking stocks using fundamental analysis. First off, love the question. It tells me that you're really serious about leveling up on actually understanding investing. I'm here for it, okay? So let's get into it. Now, if you're just getting started, you have to read this book, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. And it's all about investing in what you know and understanding companies that you already use every day. Honestly, this book really simplified a lot for me when I was trying to figure out how to connect the dots between the products that I'm using and why they perform the way they do in the stock market. Now, if you're ready to get a little bit more technical, then the interpretation of financial statements by Benjamin Graham is going to be your next stop. Okay, so in this book, Graham is like the godfather of value investing. So this book is really going to help you break down how to read those intimidating balance sheets and income statements without completely frying your brain. And trust me, I really needed this one a lot more than I'd like to admit for the overachievers out there. And you know who you are. His other book, Security Analysis, which he co-wrote with David Dodd. Okay, and this is going to be the Bible for anybody that wants a deep dive into fundamentals. Just a heads up, it's a little bit dense, okay, but it's really worth it if you want to master the art of finding those undervalued companies like a professional. If you're looking for something a little bit easier to digest, then try The Little Book That Builds Wealth by Pat Dorsey. This book focuses on understanding how to find companies that have something called economic moats, basically to make them competition proof. Also, I can't forget Value Investing from Graham to Buffett and Beyond by Bruce Greenwald. Now, this book connects the dots between classic value investing tips and more modern strategies in a really understandable way. For my visual learners, get into The Little Book of Valuation by Aswath Damodaran. Now, this book is going to break down how to figure out what a company is actually worth. So he makes the math a little bit less scary, I promise you. And honestly, he's literally known as the valuation guy. Now, I'm going to put the full list of the 10 books in the comments because I don't want to overwhelm you right now. But please start with these. You'll feel a lot more confident about picking really good stocks based on solid fundamentals. Oh, also, if you've read any of these books or you have a favorite investing book that I didn't mention, please leave it in the comments below. Let's continue to share the wealth, literally and figuratively. All right, I'll catch you on the next one.